Welcome to our guide on navigating hashtags on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps to easily explore tweets associated with a specific hashtag. Begin by opening Twitter on your PC. Next, locate a tweet that contains the hashtag you are interested in exploring. Click on the hashtag within the tweet to instantly access a feed showcasing all tweets incorporating that particular hashtag. By clicking on the hashtag, you can seamlessly browse through a collection of tweets related to the topic of your choice. This feature allows you to engage with a broader conversation and stay informed on trending discussions within the Twitter community. Mastering hashtag navigation on Twitter empowers you to discover relevant content, connect with like-minded individuals, and stay updated on the latest trends and conversations across the platform. Start exploring the world of hashtags on Twitter today and enhance your browsing experience by effortlessly navigating through tweets that pique your interest.